Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic role of motivation in management. The role of motivation in management. Motivation is a critical factor in the success of any organization as it influences the behavior of individuals and teams toward achieving common goals. Several theories of motivation have been developed to understand and enhance the motivational factors in the workplace. Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. Abraham Maslow proposed a hierarchy of human needs arranged in a pyramid from basic psychological needs to higher level psychological needs. Importance. Employees are motivated to move up the hierarchy, and managers need to address these needs to enhance motivation. Applications. Managers can tailor motivational strategies based on employees' current needs, providing a framework for understanding their behavior. For example, the manager initiates a review of the workload and ensures the basic needs, such as reasonable working hours and adequate breaks, are met. This addresses psychological and safety needs. Additionally, the managers may organize team building activities to enhance a sense of belonging and social needs. Hasberg's two factor theory. Frederick Hasberg identifying two sets of factor, Hatchian factor related to job dissatisfaction and motivators related to job satisfaction. Importance. Job satisfaction and dissatisfaction are not on the same continuum. Addressing hidden factors prevents dissatisfaction while motivators enhance satisfaction. Application. Managers need to ensure the presence of hygiene factors and introduce motivators to create a positive work environment. For example, to address hygiene factors, the managers ensure a clean and comfortable workplace, resolves any equipment issues promptly, and provides a fair and competitive salary. For motivators, the manager introduces opportunities for skill development, acknowledges achievements, and involves employees in decision making processes. Expectancy theory. Victor Fromm's theory posits that an individual's motivations to exert efforts is determined by the expectancy of success. Instrumentally believe that success leads to rewards and the balance of the rewards. Importance. Employees are motivated when they believe their efforts will lead to desired outcomes. Application. Managers should clarify performance expectations, link performance to reward, and understand individuals' preferences for rewards. For example, the managers conduct individuals meeting to clarify performance expectations and discusses the potential rewards tied to excellence performance. This might individuals' bonuses, promotions, or opportunities to lead projects. The managers also seeks input on preferred rewards, understanding that the balance of varies among individuals. Importance of motivations in achieving organizational goals. Enhanced performance. Motivated employees are likely to put in extra efforts, leading to increased productivity and improved performance. Employee satisfaction. A motivated workforce is generally more satisfied, reducing turnover rates and promoting employee retention. Goal alignment. Motivation aligns individuals' goals with organizational goals, creating a sense of purpose and commitment among employees. Innovation and creativity. Motivated employees are more likely to contribute innovative ideas, fostering creativity within the organization. Ways managers can motivate employees: recognition and rewards. Acknowledging achievements and providing tangible rewards can motivate employees. Clear communication. Transparent communication regarding goals, expectations, and feedback fosters motivation. Opportunities for development. Offering training and development opportunities shows a commitment to employee growth and can enhance motivation. Empowerment and autonomy. Allowing employees a degree of control and decision making power can increase motivation. Positive work environment. Creating a positive and inclusive workplace culture contributes to employee motivation. Aligning individuals and organizational goals. Ensuring that employees understand how their contributions align with organizational objectives enhance motivation. Job design. Structuring job to include variety, autonomy, and opportunities for skills developments can boost motivation. Thank you. Role of motivation in management is key to success. Management practices. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.